new semi build here. This is built for a kid that their family is in the business of fertilizer, and they also haul rock. So I thought it'd be cool to make a dump bed on this semi. So a lot of things going on with this thing here. First off, you have a tray here, which is going to be, you're going to pull out the pegs, pull the tray out. All right, it's going to go back here for your dump. Okay, and then you have a manual dump here, which you're going to pull this up here, and it's going to lift the bed up. Okay. All right, we have a peg here, so we can keep the door shut when we want to. Okay. So to kind of show you how this is made, this is two parts, of course, under here, and here's your dump. It's actually a wheel that pushes up, and it just pushes the bed up. It's not going to go very high, but that's okay. We're actually using marbles for rocks. So put that back on there, and I have not tried this yet to see if the marbles will actually fall into the tray here. So I want to make sure that they could reuse the marbles and not have to go find them. All right, so we're gonna put that back here. We're gonna try this. First time I tried this, we'll see. Just gonna throw a few in here. And we'll see how many fly off the table here. Okay. All right, so we're just gonna open up the dump here, and we'll see if we get enough. And if I just aimed right, it would have all worked perfect. All right, so pretty awesome. So the way it works, of course, is push back down, put that back in. I'm going to put our peg back in here. Then you have your marbles back. All right, and then hopefully we can just dump these back in, and we can play again. All right, the cool thing about this is everything is all together. So I'll just put this back on, find the hole, pop it back in there. All right, and then you're all set to go again. So everything is all together, and it kind of looks cool. It looks like it's got smokestacks, which I didn't do. All right, so they could push on the tractor easily without getting hurt. So it rolls real nice. All right, and actually I made it this time, so it will turn completely. Grab that one. All right, so this is the fertilizer rock truck, semi rock truck with, again, the dumpable bed. I hope you like this.